Here we go. We're making a small pot of cowboy beans today. Got a pound of bacon right there. So drop that bacon in there. Woo, you can hear it. We're gonna drop a pound and a half of that good old smoked sausage in there like that. We got a pound of ground meat right there. Hey, we'll go ahead and put that in there too. And what we're gonna do, y'all, we just wanna brown all that up. Let's give them a look at that right there. We're getting all that meat browned down like that. Now we're gonna hit it with that Southern Boys all-purpose Cajun seasoning right there. That's all we're putting on it today, right there, that right there. Check that out, Brother Dallas. All that coming together, that bacon, that sausage, that ground meat. Now we're gonna hit it with an onion and a bell pepper. Hit it with that onion and bell pepper. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, Brother Dallas. Look at that. Oh, look how good that looks right there, huh? All that sausage, ground meat, bacon, onions, bell pepper, all coming together right there. I'm telling you, that's a sandwich right there. All you need is a piece of bread, make you a fold over right there. All right, now we're gonna hit it with them beans. We got 1 gallon of them Bush Originals. We'll drop them beans in there like that. We'll hit it with that 2nd gallon. Woo. I told y'all we're just cooking a little pot today, because the other day we cooked a 30-gallon one of these. All right, let's get that all mixed up, Brother Dallas. Look at that. Get all that meat and all that off that bottom. Ooh, them beans starting to come together. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it with 1 cup of brown sugar. Get that brown sugar in there. Sweet beans today, baby. And we're gonna get that brown sugar all mixed down in there like that. I'm telling y'all, gonna be some good stuff here today. Good stuff. We'll come over here, we got that Kendrick. Oh, I'm telling you right here, this stuff here is some kind of good. I'm gonna put the whole bottle in there. Get that bottle in there like that. And just start getting it all mixed up. Cowboy beans today, boy. Don't get no better than that right there, y'all. I'm telling you, it's gonna be some good stuff. Cowboy beans right here, Brother Dallas. Check that out. How them cowboy beans turned out. Everybody around here, most of them done tasting them. Everybody said, Kenny, that's the best beans you ever cooked right there. So we're gonna get us a scoop of them cowboy beans right there. Get my fork out of the way. Ooh, get me another one. Come on, y'all, let's go eat.